Welcome to FreeCAD part modeling tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn two-dimensional linear pattern in FreeCAD. So as you can see that I have made a whole pocket 003. You can make with whole features, but I have used the cut features. So if we look at our drawing, we have to make these four holes, but we will do pattern features, linear pattern feature of FreeCAD. If I select my pocket 003 holes and if I go in linear pattern, and here I give my direction as per my UCS, I give Y axis, and here the pitch between two holes, horizontal pitch is 50 mm, because from this side it is 10, and from this side it is 10, and our total part width is 70, so 70 minus 20, 50. So here I will select my Y axis and I will give my dimension 50. So you can see that I have patterned my hole along Y axis, but I have to pattern these four holes in this horizontal directions and this vertical direction. But in linear pattern I do not have options to choose the two axes, means Z axis and Y axis. I wanted to make pattern two holes Y axis direction positive and minus this Z direction negative. So this is the problem with the normal linear pattern features, but FreeCAD having another option, which is the create multi-transform tool. So using this multi-transform tools we can make horizontal pattern as well as vertical pattern of our sketch as per our sketch here, 2D sketch. So for that we will select this pocket and we will go to the create a multi-transform tool, and here transformations I will right click and I will say add linear pattern. So in linear pattern, if I see my UCS, I want to pattern as horizontal direction, so I will select Y axis and pitch between the hole is 50, so I will give 50. So you can see that it has been patterned. Now I want to pattern in vertical direction, so again I will go here and click on add linear pattern, and here my UCS is Z, so I will select Z axis, and here the pitch between the two holes is 25 mm, which you can see here, 25 mm. So I will give here 25, but still this hole is not reflecting because as per our UCS it is making pattern as the upper side. So we will click on reverse direction and select our Z axis. So now you can see it has been patterned along the Z axis, and we will say OK. So this is how we can do pattern in a FreeCAD in two-dimensional way using this multi-transform tool. So this tool is very helpful, but it is not merged with a linear pattern tool. So using this we can create a two-dimensional pattern in a FreeCAD. I will also provide this 2D sketch and this source model in my video descriptions, so you can practice with yourself, and in the case of any doubt you can refer my 3D models. So this is a smart tutorial for the beginner how to do two-dimensional linear pattern in a FreeCAD using the multi-transform tool. I hope you have liked this video, and if you like my method of teaching and wanted to support me, then you can visit the Ko-fi donation link given in the video descriptions. Your kind support will help this channels to grow, and at the same time never forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Your kind support will help this channels to grow. I will come with more useful tutorial on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.